Hello, everyone. Sorry about that. It's Dr. Stacy Willie with Complete Balance Chiropractic, a Wellness Way affiliate. And today I just want to quick talk to you about the 5 reasons to take probiotics. And probiotics, you can find them in all different forms, and I'll get into that after this. But the first one is if you have what could be considered a digestive disturbance. So that could be diarrhea, constipation, and constipation is if, you're supposed to poop, and we do talk about poop here, is you need to poop at least 1 to 3 times a day. You should be pooping a lot more than most people do. Most people are extremely constipated and they don't even think about it. Think that they are. They think it's just normal, maybe poop once a week. If you're eating more than once a week, you need to keep pooping as much as you eat. Irritable bowel syndrome, colitis, just all these other things that go with digestive problems. If you've ever used antibiotics, well, with antibiotics, what they do is they change what's called the flora or the natural population that is in your intestines. Excuse me. Also, if you have skin conditions, your skin is an outer expression of what's going on in the inside of your body. Even if you have kind of dry, mottled skin a little bit. So that would include hives, rash. I would also look into, taking probiotics or especially getting your gut tested if you have something called psoriasis or if you have eczema, because your body is having a reaction and responding to the environment that's inside of you. Also, birth control. So most ladies, because men don't usually take birth control, but what that does is that changes the natural balance in your body as well. That's why women are more susceptible to having yeast infections when they're on birth control. They'll go through this weird mix of having bladder infection and then yeast infection and bladder infection. That's because your balance is off. And I won't even get on my soapbox about birth control, but I could. Depression, huge. So what I want you to do, if there's anybody out there that suffers from depression, I want you to Google search. So you have to do a little job for me. And I will actually, I might give a little prize away for the first person who is not a doctor or knows all this stuff about me that I talk about. But if you Google serotonin, your job is to Google serotonin and find out what serotonin is and where it's made. This will give you a lot of information. So, who wants to watch a live video and have a job? But you get to. Also, my main thing is you get tested first. You got to see what's going on inside your guts and what's the natural balance, because you have all this different types of bacteria and you need a huge variety. You need some diversity. So what do probiotics do is they create that diversity. Excuse me. Sorry. So there's different types of probiotics, and you don't want to get some from Family Dollar because those aren't you don't know how old they are. You don't know, if it's live material, so you don't know if they're dead. You don't really want to get it from, Activia. It's not really, that's the yogurt stuff. It's not really the best way to get your probiotics in. A lot of people have dairy allergies, and a lot of probiotics have this dairy based. And especially for me personally, I have an allergy to dairy. And so the probiotics that I have to be pretty clean. So they can't be dairy based. But those are my 5 reasons to take probiotics. My main thing is you want to get tested. You want to see what that gut flora is. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to message me. And if you have any other topics you'd like to talk about, message me too. Thanks.